Hello my dear friends, today I'm going to quickly show you how to make vegetable fried rice with leftover rice. In a pan add some oil, add carrot and capsicum, fry it for 2 to 3 minutes, add onion and tomatoes are optional, fry it for 5 minutes, add some pepper powder. Now add half teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, mix it well, half teaspoon of chili sauce. Now I'm going to add the boiled rice. Fry it on a high flame for 5 minutes and add salt as required. Our vegetable fried rice is almost ready to be served hot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more videos.